A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, we are going to understand the very last concept of decimals which are given in your new enjoying mathematics book. So today we will be discussing about how we can convert the decimals into fractions. So without any delay, let us get started. Here, as you can see, that I have written few decimal numbers for you. These are 0.7 and 0.12. So how you can convert them into a fraction? Children, the first method would be that if you are reading the decimals correctly, right, so that will help you to change it easily into the fractions. So we know that what is 0.7? We can read it as 7 tenths. That means it can be written as 7 by 10. And in the same way, 0.12 can be read as 12 hundredths. So it can be written as 12 by 10. Now after this, there is one more method through which you can convert the decimals into the fractions. So let us see what is the method. So here I have written 3.2, okay, which is a decimal number, and the next decimal number which I have taken is 1.05. So children, for converting these decimal numbers, okay, into the fractions, the first step which you have to follow is you will count the number of the decimal places. Like here I have only one decimal place, right, and in this number how many decimal places do I have? 1 and 2. Okay, so the first one is clear to us. Now the second step is that we have to rewrite the number without decimal. Okay, so here the decimal number which I had was 3.2. First of all, I have counted the decimal place, it is 1 over here, and then I have written the number again, right? So, and the number is without decimal over here. That means I have removed the decimal which was earlier here, okay, and now we have got the numerator. This number will be 32, will be our numerator. And now what will be the step 3? Then you have to write the denominator with as many zeros as decimal places. So in the denominator you have to write, or you have to put as many zeros as the decimal places are there in the decimal number. So since we have only one decimal place, that is why I have put only 1 0. So the fraction which we have got is 32 by 10. Okay, so you can read it also and you can write it as a fraction. Like we know that what is 3.2? It is 3 and 2 tenths, right? Okay, and it can be written as 3 whole, okay, 2 by 10, and then when you will convert it into an improper fraction, you will get 32 by 10. Likewise, the next number which I have taken is 1.05. Okay, what will be the first step? First of all, you have to count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places do we have? 1 and 2. In the second step, you have to rewrite the number without decimal. So I have written 105 without decimal. So this has become our numerator. 105, 105 is our numerator. Now the last step would be that you have to write the denominator with as many zeros as the decimal places are there in the decimal number. So since we have 1 and 2 decimal places, okay, 1 and 2, so that is why I have put 2 zeros in the denominator. So the fraction which I have got is, it is 105 by 100, okay, and it can be read as 1 and 5 hundredths. Okay, you can write it as a mixed number also, and then it's up to you, you can convert it further into the improper fraction. Okay, but this method would be really convenient for you. You don't have to write any other steps, you just have to look at the number, okay, and follow these 3 steps Okay, let us revise what are the steps. You will count the number of the decimal places, right? And then you have to rewrite the number without any decimal place as I have written over here. So you will get the numerator, and then in the third step you have to write the denominator with as many zeros as the decimal places. So I hope you have understood that how you can convert the decimals into fractions. So this is all in this chapter. We will be meeting in our next module with the new chapter, which is measurement. So till then, everybody take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.